Right, so today I've got some excitingness to show you. That's a real word in my dictionary. I'm going to use, I might not use every single colour because that might be a bit difficult, but I'll very much try. And I'm going to show you our brand spanking new winter collection. Not winter collection, Christmas collection. Oh my God, I can't even get the right words. So this is our Christmas collection. It's absolutely gorgeous. Rich, beautiful colours. A lot of sparkle going on. Absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is use these colours to create tartan Christmas nails.
Is that why you did the Mrs. Doubtfire intro? Because she wears dark tartan.
Well, I thought you were Mrs. Doubtfire.
Hello! I didn't do it on purpose, but I'll take it.
Yeah?
I'll take it.
That's who you reminded me of.
So I'll quickly show you the colours. So we've got Maddie. This one's named after my cousin, Maddie. Look at that. It's a shimmery, gorgeous, rich burgundy wine colour. Then we've got Loyal. I like this one because it's called Loyal and you can put it with anything like Loyal Maddie, Loyal Katie. Yeah. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's like it's indigo with a hint of purple. Beautiful. Yeah. Then we've got By Night. Now this is our dark grey. Absolutely love it. And then this is beautiful. Brittany. This is named after my cousin Brittany. Look at that. Rose gold, slightly more, I want to say champagne-y, bronzy than our other rose gold, and it is more chunky than our other rose gold. Beautiful. It's gorgeous sparkle. We need the sparkle. Then we've got Netty. Now Annette's Annette's like, oh my God, you've called my gel polish Netty. Yes, we've called Annette's gel polish Netty. She loves this colour, and I actually put some nails, a video on. It was either on TikTok or Reels or something like that, where I'm taking this colour off, and it's featured somewhere in the video. I think I'm taking the colour off and doing something anyway. And people are like, what is that colour? This is the colour. And it's a gorgeous, shimmery, sparkly, midnight blue.
Do you know what we call a netty? Where I live.
What?
Toilet.
Oh, don't tell her that.
Don't tell her that.
If you say you're going to the netty.
Don't tell her that. And this one is called Andrea.
Finally!
She's finally got a gel polish named after her. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's a teal and it's actually got loads of glitter running through it. So it's actually got like a bluey glitter and a greeny glitter. Absolutely gorgeous colour.
So do you know what we call Andrea where I'm from?
A Doyle.
Do you know not many people use the term Doyle?
No, just you then.
Doyle all the time.
You do. Then we've got Kim. Kim is named after my cousin Kimberly. That is like a really dark blue, but it's got like a greeny teal, tiny glitter running through it. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've got Sassy. I think that one was named after me.
No, I think it was named after Cass.
Definitely.
Sassy.
Yeah,
Sassy Cass.
You should call her Sassity.
Sassy. Well, do you
Yeah.
know what? We should do because we do call her Sassy Cass because she, tell you what, she's got some sass. So this is, it's got no shimmer, it's a flat colour, super pigmented, gorgeous wine colour, or I want to say mulled wine colour. Oh, I love a bit of mulled wine at Christmas time. So we're going to do tartan. Let's tart you up with a bit of tartan. You tart you.
Tart me up.
I'm going to tart you up. So we're going to start with, we're going to use this as the background. Oh my God. We're going to use Brittany. Absolutely gorgeous. First we're going to base coat. Before we do that, we're going to wipe over because we know that Andrea definitely touched these nails. You know, considering they're on the end of her fingers. So So I'm going to show you how I like to do tartan. There's a little bit of layering going on. Absolutely love it. Right, okay, so we'll do these two, I think, for starts. Right, so we're going to base coat. I always use a base coat because the base coat is like the best double-sided sticky tape you have ever used. It's amazing. It really does adhere the gel polish to pretty much anything. So we're going to do one thin layer of that and we're going to cure it for 30 seconds. Pop me that in. So this colour is just, oh, look at the glitter. Oh, so pretty. And it's got like a champagne-y glitter. Champagne-y, that's a word. Glitter running through it. And also like a silver. I love it when gel polishes have like that multi-tonal colour to it. I'm going to do 2 coats of this. Do you know what, this would be nice over like a French ombre as well, this would. You know, like just 1 coat of it.
Yeah.
That'd look nice. I think you could actually, oh, do you know what, this would look nice over, oh, it'd look nice over this. Ooh, it would. It'd look nice over sassy. Pop me them in. Second coat, going to give you more intense glitter. Oh, it's nice. I mean, it's nice on its own, isn't it? It's a nice, safe Christmas colour. I think many, many, many people in the salons would have this colour. Pop that in. Then I've got some backing paper from a sculpting form and I'm going to put my colours down. Now I will need the Lilly Liner for this design, which is our liner brush. And that was the lid falling on the floor. I think this desk must be wonky because everything just falls off that's, you know, round. Nothing to do with me. Promise. Right, so we're going to do some layering. So the first colour I'm going to use is Netty. Oh, she will be happy. Not with the name.
It's a gorgeous colour.
It is absolutely
Beautiful.
giving me a duck. So what we're going to do first of all is start with top to bottom. Quite a thick line we're doing here, so we want a lot of pressure with the brush. So you can put a decent amount of product on. And then the pressure from the brush is going to give you the width. The width. Yeah, so we've got that, and then we're going to do a very thin one. So not as much pressure. Just like that. And we're just going to flash cure that for 10 seconds. Then we're going to come this way. We're going to do a thick one. So we're already starting to see this tartan. You know the tartan, they all have so many meanings. So they are like where they were made. They all have like different meanings, and I didn't realise this till the other day.
Families have their own tartan as well.
Families have their own tartan. That's amazing.
You have your own tartan.
Me?
The Roberts. They would have their own, wouldn't they?
Maybe.
The clan.
The clan. Maybe, I don't know. Side or the Eagans, so I would imagine they would have their own, yeah. Because they did actually own a castle.
Wow.
So Irish have tartan as well?
Yeah.
I just thought it was a Scottish thing.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm being educated today. Pop me that in. So I've put a little bit of By Night and Sassy down as well. Now what we're going to do with this one is we're going to do a thin line here. It's all about layering. Just flash cure me that. It's already starting to look like some Christmas presents or something. Right, so you can see I've put that in the same place. So you've got that blue thick, and you've got that wine colour next to it, and you've got the blue thick, and you've got that wine colour next to it, yeah? Pop that in the lamp. The reason I'm flash curing is because if I pull through with another line, it will disturb that wet paint, and it'll sort of like bleed like that as you pass through the wet. Does that make sense?
Yeah, definitely.
Right, give it here then. And what we're going to do now is, at the side of our thin line here, we're going to do another thin one. I wonder if by accident we do somebody's actual tartan. You know, like somebody's family's tartan.
Yeah.
Can they sue us for that?
I don't know if it's copyrighted. Right, there we are. Pop that in. Right, so we're going to use by night here, down the other side of that thick netty colour.
Can't believe you just called a thick netty now.
Oh my god, she's going to absolutely hate me.
Fuming.
She's going to be fuming, isn't she? I'm sorry, Annette. I do love you, you know. So now, imagine if we get that section and we flip it this way. That means we're going to do one here. When you're putting your Christmas decks up.
Me?
I'm thinking in a couple of weeks, you know.
With 9 puppies?
Oh yeah, you best not put them decorations up for a while, had you?
Yeah.
Pop me that in. Right, what I'm going to do now is we're going to go back to the glittery one. And this is the last colour we're going to put on. And we're just going to use this as like a little thread running through the centre of that blue. And it only needs to be delicate. It's like a little bit of thread, a little bit of sparkly thread, like that. Oh, see, now that's just changed it, hasn't it? That's just made it extra special. Cure me that. So we're going to do this very fine little thread coming through. So we're going to do this very fine little thread coming through the top of that blue. Oh yes, Doc. It's a bit gorgeous. Put that in. Yeah, it's not too time consuming, I don't think either, because on the other nails, you know, you could just have a couple of nails like this, and on the other nails, use those solid colours to do the other ones. So they've just got like that bit of flash of, oh, bit of Christmas. Oh. So we are going to top coat with the glossy top coat. Pop that in the lamp. So, because it's gel polish, you get a little bit of unevenness. I mean, a client would be happy with it like that, but I'm just going to even that out a little bit by buffing it a little bit. Can you see? The areas that it catches are those areas that are raised. So you're just smoothing a little bit. This is a 120 grit buffer. Don't over buff it, because you don't want to touch the colour. The top coat is there as like a bumper, I suppose. So it kind of evens it out and it gives you a bit of a bumper to then smooth. Let's wipe over with the clean up solution. And let's put the glossy top coat on. got to be shiny.
Has to be shiny.
Oh, it has to be shiny for Christmas time. So that's much smoother now. Pop that in the lamp. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Oh, Duck, you ready for Christmas?
I am already.
Already.
Not.
So we're going to repeat that. We're going to change it up. And what I'm going to do is, see the thick blue? I'm going to switch that up to this corner. So I'm going to do thick blue here, thick blue there. So we just change the side so it'll still go and it'll still flow. It'll just switch it up. Don't do them identical. Change it up a bit. Top coat, our buffer layer of top coat to smooth. Put me that in. So there you are, guys, it's gloves off.
Oh, another thing to really pick up. Magic fairies, quickly pick them up.
I'll pick them up. But yeah, that's it from us. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these new colours and this gorgeous tartan design. Hopefully it's getting you inspired, ready for Santa time. Oh, what we're having for Christmas. I'll be having bugger all again.
I'll be having...
Kids will be having too much as
margarita.
usual.
Yeah.
You'll be having margaritas in Mexico, and I'll be having mulled wine.
Yeah.
That'll be me. Yeah, me and Andrea.
Yeah, we'll have some mulled wine.
Yes,
Definitely.
So everything that's been used will be listed below in the description box. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and all them places that we call social media. You know, we love social media. I'm slightly addicted. Got to cut down the time on social media, to be honest. You know, that's all I do in bed at night, to be fair. I just like,
I know.
You could try sleeping. That helps.
yeah, I do try sleep.
I know, but before you know it, it's like nearly time to get up and you're still on TikTok or whatever.
It's TikTok's too addictive.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It should be. No, it shouldn't be banned.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, it's gone by. It's gone by.
Goodbye.
Oh my God. It's time for
Been a long
home.
day.
Long day. It's gone by. What the hell? Goodbye from us. Oh, I'm going. See you later. Ta-ra, Doc.